Supreme Court has temporarily blocked a tough new immigration law in Texas from taking effect today. The law gives state officials the power to arrest migrants who cross into Texas illegally. The Biden administration argues that is the federal government's job. Omar Villafranca reports on the enforcement showdown between Texas and federal officials.
The goal of Senate Bill 4 is to stop the tidal wave of illegal entry into Texas.
That was Texas Governor Greg Abbott in December as he signed SB 4 into law. The bill, which was set to go into effect today, would allow state law enforcement to arrest migrants for illegal border crossings and Texas judges to order migrants to either return to Mexico or serve jail time.
We're not imposing a Texas border policy. Texas very simply is enforcing the laws that are the policy of the United States Congress.
In a recent interview with 60 Minutes, Abbott insisted SB 4 does not overstep the federal government. But last week, a Texas district judge blocked the law, arguing that it violates the Constitution's supremacy clause and conflicts with key provisions of federal immigration law. Texas's Attorney General appealed the ruling, and over the weekend, a federal court granted the state a temporary stay. And Monday, at the Justice Department's urging, the Supreme Court stepped in to stop SB 4 from taking effect, with Justice Samuel Alito giving Texas until March 11th to file a response.
We need a lot of help.
Back in December, we met Maverick County Sheriff Tom Schmerber in Eagle Pass, 2 days after Abbott signed SB 4 into law. Schmerber told us he was concerned about enforcing it.
Is that work that your sheriff deputies can do? Do you want to do it?
We don't want to do it, and it's going to be impossible. I don't have the manpower nor the space. Comes March, if we have to do it, I don't know how.
Omar Villafranca, CBS News.